In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Notion Mobile. Welcome, and thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the different ways to sign into your Notion account using the mobile app. This guide is designed to be clear, easy to follow, and practical, so you can quickly access your workspace and start managing your notes, pages, and tasks. When you open the Notion mobile app, you will be greeted with several sign-in options. Notion allows you to log in using your Google account, Apple account, or Microsoft account. If your workspace supports it, you can also sign in using a passkey or through single sign-on, commonly known as SSO. All of these methods work as long as they were previously linked to your account. For this video, we will focus on logging in with your email address, which is ideal if you originally created your Notion account using an email and password. To start, tap Continue with Email. The app will then prompt you to enter the email address associated with your Notion account. Be sure to type it carefully and double-check for any errors before moving forward. Once your email is entered, tap Continue. Next, you will be asked to enter your password. Take your time to type it correctly. If you cannot remember your password, you can select Forgot Your Password. This option will guide you through a secure process to reset your password and regain access to your account. After entering your password, tap Continue with Password. Notion will verify your credentials, and within a few seconds, you will be successfully logged in. Once logged in, you will have full access to your workspace directly from your mobile device, including all of your pages, notes, and tasks. This allows you to stay organized and productive even when you are away from your computer. Using the email login method provides a reliable and secure way to access your Notion account on mobile. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that you sign in without any issues and start managing your workflow immediately. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. With Notion Mobile, staying connected and organized has never been easier, giving you complete control over your tasks and notes wherever you go.